I want to reorient images. So this is something that is really quite interesting you're able to do. So I'm going to go with this little Yeti backpack right here. And let's say, please create an image of the side view. So let's also just make it kind of a product image here. So we want to turn it sideways, and we want to put it like on a mountain or something like that. So this is something that in the past you really couldn't do with Photoshop, like creating a side view. You pretty much have to draw it out entirely. But this is able to kind of imagine what the backpack looks like based on what the straps look like there. So this is how the backpack looks. And I mean, as humans, like we're able to kind of understand what it might look like on the side, but let's see what it came up with here. So if we go down, this not only looks very realistic of the background and everything, it has the shadow, the strap even has like a very accurate shadow there, but this I would say is almost definitely what it's going to look like from the side. I think they did a very, very good job here. And again, this is, in my opinion, just really mind-blowing that you're able to do this considering the state of the technology even just like 1 or 2 years ago. And let's kind of continue with that example and maybe reorient something else. Let's go with, here's like a picture of a sloth, and let's say, please, let's try that. Let's just try something. This is going to be a lot trickier. You can see an animal, right? It looks a little different. Let's see if it's able to recreate this from the side. So the backpack, I mean, I think that was a fairly easy one, but definitely did a good job. Let's see what it looks like on this. All right, so here is the original image, and now the new image. It definitely is a little bit more to the side, but it's definitely not the full side like I was looking for. So we can actually do some modifiers here. Let's ask it to now, let's say, even further to the side. Let's just tell it to rotate 90 degrees, see what that looks like. All right, it might have rotated the wrong 90 degrees there. I've found in my experimenting with Nano Banana that, while it's really good at creating some images, sometimes it just doesn't do what you tell it to do. Like if you want to move text or if you want to reorient things or move them around the photo, sometimes it just doesn't do it. It'll tell you it's doing it. It'll keep giving you basically the same image, and it just doesn't do things sometimes. But when it works, it works well.